Paano ba gumawa ng isang award-winning box office hit independent movie?
May appointment tayo with Miss Eugene Domingo later.
Eugene Domingo?
Eugene Domingo and I have nothing. Eugene Domingo and nothing.
The Eugene Domingo?
2 packs lang the extra shot mo pa.
Ikaw, Iha, andyan ka pala. Wala kang imek. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko na kailangan magpapayat pa for the role of Mila?
So you mean you're accepting the role?
Hindi lahat ng artista na o-offeran ng ganitong role. Ano ka ba?
From the creator, the box office hits, Kimidora, and Here Comes the Bride, Chris Martinez, comes another unforgettable comedy film.
Oscars to. Oscars.
Cinemalaya's box office hit of all time.
Direk, anong klaseng acting ang gusto mo? Elevator acting? Direk! Bawat linya, pumipihit, pataas, pababa, pataas, pababa. Elevator.
Winner of 5 major awards.
TV Patrol acting. Taas agad ng level nun.
Audience Choice Award, Best Picture, Best Director, Best Screenplay, and Best Actress.
Solve na ba kayo kay Eugene Domingo? Sabi ka convince? O si Cherry pa yan, di ba mas maganda? What about Mercedes Cabral?
May meeting na tayo sa kanya. Ngayon ka pa magkakaroon ng doubt?
Papatay ako para sa role na to.
Forced to good naman ako dyan.
Find out why people are talking about it.
Itong septic tank scene,
Gusto sana namin na realistic.
lulusong ako sa realistic na septic tank.
Ang Babae sa Septic Tank, directed by Marlon Rivera.
Opo, pero yun po kasi yung vision.
Direk! Total frontal nudity, check. Death-defying stunt, check. Itong sex scene, check na check. Gagawin ko lahat. Huwag niyo naman akong palusungin sa...
August 3 in theaters nationwide.